Can you recover Google account without any verification? And the answer is no. You need your email ID or your number. Simply go to Google, search for Gmail recovery account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Click on it. In here, you'll find all the tips if you forgot your password, forgot the email address, or forgot your password. If you don't find solution in here, simply you need to make a new account, because without verification from your email ID or phone number, that is not possible. This is how to recover Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.